Best Foldable Drones. Are you looking for the best foldable drones? In this video we will look at 5 of the best foldable drones on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Drone with Camera 1080p HD FPV. The Drone with Camera 1080p HD FPV is an entry-level foldable quadcopter designed for beginners and kids, offering a fun and user-friendly experience in aerial photography and flight. Equipped with a 1080p HD camera, this drone provides clear and crisp FPV, first-person view, streaming, allowing users to capture stunning footage and enjoy real-time video during flight. It's a great option for newcomers looking to explore drone flying and take aerial photos or videos. This drone features foldable arms, making it compact and portable, so it can be easily stored and carried in its included carrying case. The one-key takeoff and landing feature simplifies the flight process, enabling users to easily launch or land the drone with a single press of a button. Equipped with optical flow positioning, the drone provides more stable flight, ensuring smooth and precise control. This feature is especially helpful for beginners, allowing the drone to hover steadily without drifting. The voice gesture control adds an extra layer of convenience, letting users control certain functions with simple hand gestures or voice commands, making it even easier to operate. The drone also supports 360 degrees flips, allowing for exciting aerial stunts with the press of a button, enhancing the fun factor. Additionally, the Waypoint Fly feature enables users to plot flight paths on a map, allowing the drone to automatically follow a predefined route for more complex flying maneuvers. In summary, the 1080p HD FPV foldable drone is a versatile and easy-to-use quadcopter ideal for beginners and kids. With features like voice gesture control, optical flow positioning, and one-key takeoff/landing, it provides a fantastic entry into drone flying, making it fun and accessible for all ages. Number 2. Mini Drone with Camera. The Mini Drone with Camera is a compact and versatile 1080p FPV foldable drone, designed to offer an enjoyable flying experience for both adults and kids. Equipped with a 1080p HD camera, the drone captures clear and detailed images and videos, which can be streamed in real time to your smartphone or tablet via FPV, first-person view. The 90 degrees adjustable lens provides flexible camera angles, allowing you to capture a variety of perspectives during flight. The drone features stable altitude hold, ensuring it remains steady in the air, making it easier for beginners to control and allowing for stable photography and video capture. With gravity control, users can control the drone by tilting their smartphone or tablet, adding a fun and intuitive method of flying. Additionally, the trajectory flight feature lets users draw flight paths on their device's screen, and the drone will follow those predetermined routes automatically for a more dynamic flying experience. For added convenience, the drone comes with one-key takeoff and landing, making it easy to launch and land with a simple press of a button. The kit includes 2 batteries, offering extended flight time for more enjoyment and longer aerial adventures. Designed for both adults and kids, the drone's foldable design makes it highly portable and easy to store, while its durable build ensures it can withstand the occasional crash or rough landing. Whether you're flying for fun or capturing memorable footage, this drone offers an accessible and feature-packed option for beginners and hobbyists alike. In summary, the Mini Drone with Camera is a fun and feature-rich quadcopter that provides stable flight, easy controls, and an adjustable camera, making it a great choice for users of all ages. Number 3. Drone with Camera. The Drone with Camera 2K HD FPV is a feature-packed, foldable mini drone designed for both kids and beginners. Equipped with a 2K HD camera, it provides high-quality aerial footage with sharp details and vibrant colors. The drone supports first-person view, FPV, allowing users to stream live video to their smartphones or tablets, making it ideal for capturing stunning photos and videos from above. Powered by a brushless motor, this drone offers enhanced efficiency and durability, ensuring a smooth flight experience with less noise and lower maintenance compared to traditional brushed motors. The altitude hold feature keeps the drone stable at a fixed height, allowing for steady shots and making it easier for beginners to control. Additionally, it comes with gesture selfie capabilities, enabling users to take selfies or videos by simply raising their hands, offering a fun and intuitive way to interact with the drone. The one-key takeoff and landing feature simplifies the flight process, making it easy for users of all skill levels to launch and land the drone with just a button press. The drone also supports 3D flips, allowing for exciting aerial stunts, and the waypoint fly feature lets users draw a flight path on their phone, and the drone will follow it automatically for more complex maneuvers. The kit includes 2 batteries, providing extended flight time for more fun and less downtime. The foldable design ensures the drone is portable and easy to store, making it perfect for travel and outdoor adventures. In summary, the 2K HD FPV drone offers advanced features like brushless motors, gesture selfies, and 3D flips, combined with a user-friendly design, making it an excellent choice for both beginners and kids. Number 4. Drone with camera. The drone with 1080p camera is a foldable quadcopter designed for beginners and kids, offering a range of fun features for an easy and enjoyable flying experience. Equipped with a 1080p HD camera, it allows users to capture clear and vibrant photos and videos from the sky. The first-person view, FPV, feature lets users stream live video to their smartphones or tablets, enhancing the flying experience. This drone is user-friendly, with features like voice control, allowing users to control the drone through simple voice commands for a hands-free flying experience. It also supports gesture selfies, enabling users to take photos or videos by simply raising their hands, making it easy to capture moments without touching the controls. The altitude hold function ensures stable flight, allowing the drone to maintain a fixed height for steady photos and videos, which is especially helpful for beginners. For ease of use, the drone includes a one-key start feature, making takeoff and landing simple with just a press of a button. Additionally, it supports 3D flips, adding an exciting element of fun with aerial stunts. The kit comes with 2 batteries, providing extended flight time for more enjoyment without the need for frequent recharging. Designed for boys and girls, this foldable drone is highly portable, making it easy to carry and store in its compact form. It's a great toy for kids to develop their coordination skills while having fun. In summary, the drone with 1080p camera is a feature-rich and easy-to-use quadcopter that combines voice control, gesture selfies, altitude hold, and 3D flips, making it an excellent choice for both beginners and kids. Number 5. Mini drone with camera. The mini drone with camera is a compact and user-friendly quadcopter designed for beginners and adults alike, offering an easy and enjoyable flying experience. Equipped with a 1080p HD camera, it allows for clear and high-quality aerial photography and video streaming through FPV, first-person view. The 90 degrees adjustable lens offers versatility in capturing different angles, while the altitude hold feature keeps the drone steady in mid-air, making it easier to control and ensuring smooth, stable shots. This drone is designed with portability in mind, featuring a foldable design that makes it easy to store and carry, perfect for travel or outdoor adventures. It comes with a carrying case for added convenience. The drone includes 2 batteries, providing extended flight time for longer fun without frequent recharges. For ease of use, the one-key takeoff and landing feature simplifies the flying process, allowing users to easily launch and land the drone with a single button press. The drone also supports 360 degrees flips, enabling users to perform exciting aerial stunts at the press of a button, enhancing the overall flying experience. Whether you're a beginner or simply looking for a fun toy, this mini drone is designed to be accessible and fun, with features that allow you to explore basic drone flying techniques and capture stunning footage. The drone's lightweight build and simple controls make it ideal for learning and developing drone flying skills. In summary, the mini drone with camera offers a 1080p HD camera, adjustable lens, easy controls, and extended flight time with 2 batteries. Its foldable design, stable altitude hold, and fun features like 360 degrees flips make it an excellent choice for both beginners and adults seeking a portable, fun drone experience.